everybody. Today it's a bisque day. Okay, what do we have here? He lost his ear. This is actually something that we experimented. It's one of my students made. I put a toothpick inside. I was hoping it's gonna hold. This one it held, and this one it didn't. So half success. We'll see how we're gonna glue it. Nice face.
He's not a happy camper.
Maybe. Okay. This I had a leftover of black clay, or is it? I don't know. I made a total disaster of mix of clays that I had left over, and I made this. Let's see how it's going to come out. This is beautiful. Kochi made it.
Nice.
Yeah. Very nice. This kid came to me one day. She wanted to experiment on the wheel, and of course I helped her, but she liked it, so we kept it. This I also made. Look at the print. Nice.
Yep.
Okay. This is scary. One of the kids that I have made it. Okay. Let's see. Opa. Ah. This is like wow. This Ronit made it. Beautiful. It took her maybe 2 days to make it.
Mm-hmm.
The little porcupine. It's not so little, but it's beautiful. I actually kept the spikes. Some of them that fell, because I think I have this thing that might help to glue them back. And then we'll put the glaze. Where is it? Oh, here. I actually use this bisque fix. It doesn't work on plates.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't. I tried it many times, but it doesn't. But we'll see how it's gonna work this time. Anyway, this is this I made it. Also leftover clay that I kind of mix. Decided I don't want any more clay laying around. It's a bell.
Very nice.
A huge bell.
Yeah.
Look at, there's the hole. Beautiful.
Yep.
Amazing.
Who made it?
Ah, Ronit made it.
Oh, very nice.
Oh, I wish I remembered. Ah, Nama.
Good.
Yeah. She's also one of my new students. She made it. Okay. All right. Okay. This I had to make.
Oh, they are tall.
They're totally nice, no?
Mm-hmm.
Karen Barra will get one. Sasha and Adi, because they broke the handle of the previous cups that I made for them. They think I'm working for them. This Kochi made, it's for utensils. Nice, no?
Yep.
Okay, again, this is me and my, I don't know what to do with the rest of the clay. Quite happy about it, actually. Oh, that one it made it. She has like a whole statue of cats on her window. So that would be, I don't know if it's going to be the last one, but that's her granddaughter made. Who needs granddaughter?
Nice.
Yeah. And that, I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a kite.
Kite.
A kite. Yep. Alright. Yes, that Kira made it. Oh, she's gonna like it. She's coming today.
Nice.
Yeah. I told her, look at that, I told her, you need to sign your name so you'll know that it's yours. So she wrote Kuf in Hebrew on it. And then she said, well, I said to her, next time you should put it here. And then I said, how about if I'll take the letter and then I'll, decorate it. I said, well, that's a nice idea. And this is also now not made. And that's it. I think very successful. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.